what else you have. Yeah.
I have vitamins too.
Okay, open that one.
What is this color?
What is that, Melody?
I know.
Whoa.
Could you open this?
Yeah, bring it over here. I'll put it on.
This is a special part for me.
Yeah.
I think I got a couple more. More.
Whoa.
Nothing in mine.
Why don't you unwrap the little blue things? Oh, there we go.
I can't open this.
Try tear the paper.
I can tear this one with me. Mommy, those are for me and these are for you. Look at this.
What is that?
I don't know. It's a Tinkerbell hacker.
Yeah, you might have to do this.
They're mini.
Show me.
Ew, I can't.
Is that for putting your pens in and your crayons?
Yeah.
I think it is. There you go. Good.
Daddy. But I can't close it.
I can't.
Daddy, look. Mommy?
What do you got?
I got this, a necklace.
Oh,
This
wow.
is princess.
Put it on your neck.
Well, I cannot. It's too little.
Yeah.